Hello, my dear friend. I have something important to tell you. I show you earlier the image I uploaded in my Adobe Stock contributor account, as well as the number of projected image and the number of pending images and uploaded images. Today I am showing you that I have not uploaded even 100 images. But look, I am showing you that there is only one cell. No one should give up this game. Let's try to upload at least 500 images per month. We can upload images. They can be vectors, illustration or other type of images. Let's try to upload 500 images per month. I am also doing this work with you. You should subscribe my channel. Let's work together and you will win and I will win. Thank you.